Carpe diem, guys. Safety Liner C2 here. Second take in this video because I forgot to regen my cache and kind of regret it because everything is out of order and I like everything in order, but hey, I'll get used to it. So anyway, if you keep up with the forums, you will know that there is a member on there with the name of Carter, and if you don't know who Carter is, his forum name slash multiplayer username is cveilleux or something. I really don't know how to pronounce his name. It's French, and I speak a little Spanish, so not really French. But anyway, he has been working on these wonderful looking bluebirds. So yeah, you guys probably know what that means by now. If you also keep up with the forums, you will know that there's this wonderful group on there called SBF, which stands for School Bus Fans. And I actually didn't tell you, but last month I got voted into SBF, so that's a big thing. So that's pretty cool. And basically, I think that y'all kind of already know this. But basically what we do on there is we test mods. We basically beta test people's stuff. Mainly buses and stuff, but anyway, so he is a member on there, and he just released these, he actually gave me permission to do this video, so thank you. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a first look at the bus. Yes, there is further ado. We are going to do just like Volks buses. There's going to be a in-depth video for each of them. This is just the overview slash first look. So there will be 4 separate videos, considering there are 4 separate buses. And then we'll also do versus videos versus the ACX, the Volks buses, the Vision, the whatever, all those buses. So let's see how laggy they are. Currently we are running 33 FPS, 34, so around there. So let's go ahead. So let's see CV, and you can see that there are these 4 buses right here. So the Lodestar, the C60, which is a Chevy, the B700, which is a Ford, and the 3800. So let's go ahead and get that, if it will load. There we go. Wow, look at that. So this is my first look at the bus. It is amazing. Let's see if this light board works on the back. Nope, it's just there for fanciness. The flares are a little bit off. He actually asked me to, he asked everyone on SBF to note, or to say anything wrong with the bus. The flares are a little bit off, just a little bit. Let's see, why isn't the door coming out? That could be a problem. There it goes, so it's just me. So let's see, dual stop signs. I'd like to see the LED board work, but that's just me. Let's see how good these turn signals are. Are they? Oh, well, those flares are kind of off unless he's going for fender turn signals. Let's turn on some lights in the front. Okay, well, I'm not gonna bug him. This is the first beta release of it, so. Oh wow, this is, okay, well, this is actually kind of nice. I kind of like this. Oh, ooh, red interior. That shows up orange, but it's really red. Okay, so let's see. Wow, this is very responsive. Let's see, we went down 10 FPS, so I mean, it's not terrible. It's still decent, but, like the Bluebird logo up there, I do feel a little bit off over here. I'm kind of over here, and I should be in front of the steering wheel, but let's see. These controls don't work. I don't know if that's something that he hasn't worked on, but like I said, this is just the first beta, so I'm not going to completely bash him. So if this was like the final beta before the release, but then I'd go like all caps rage, but so wow, let's see how fast it starts up too. Oh, wow, that was fast. Let's see. So we'll look down here. So X. Yeah, that's pretty fast actually. So this first, let's see if there's any other controls. F3, F4, let's see. maybe the hood could open. Let's look at the graphics. Wow, lots of work put into it. Let's see, I think F should, or not F, I don't remember the graphics for the bus, but let's see. Let's go back over here. Heck, we'll just spawn it right here. Let's see, so CV. And next is the B700, which is something I've been looking forward to. Ooh, yay, more custom sounds. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful bus, I might say myself. I like the dual stop arms, that's actually kind of nice on both buses. So end lights, oh joy, the flares are a little off. These flares, just like on the other bus, are a little off. And these flares are actually pretty good. Let's see. So let's see. B700 logo, I like that. Let's look on the interior of the bus. Hopefully it's a little bit different. And it is. It's, oh geez, I love the dash. My 6th grade bus, which was a 90 Bluebird International, we had a dash like that, and that's grown to be my favorite Bluebird dash. But let's see. Have we gone down any FPS? Just 2. It's not terrible. Let's see. And then that's an IC parking brake, but whatever. Ooh, I like the working mirrors up there. That's always a nice added feature. Let's see, and you can also see right down here it says Bluebird Body Company. I like that too. So let's look at some warning lights on the bus. Ooh, fancy. See, I'm leaning towards the B800 right now. That's my favorite one so far. Could that change? Maybe. I don't know. Let's listen to the startup noise. Hopefully it's a little bit different. Nope, same thing. But what I would like to see is just the different startup noises like in Volks buses. But that's just me. Ooh, you know what author bus I would like to see him put together? He has, let's see, the 3800, the B700, the C60, and the Lodestar. I'd like to see a Freightliner, a Bluebird Freightliner. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Chevy. Wow, that looks good. Oh, this one actually has a crossing gate, but it doesn't work. Okay. That looks like a crossing gate. I mean, yeah, it is a crossing gate, but let's see, look at the graphics. I can't really... yeah, I see a crossing gate on there. But, let's see. Ooh, I like this. I don't know what I'm leaning towards now, guys. I'm kind of liking all these buses. Let's see, end lights. Those flares are a little off also. Those flares are good. Let's see. Look inside. Oop, another favorite dash. I like how this seat right here actually kind of looks 3D compared to the other seats. I don't know if it's just me or if he actually incorporated that, but responsive steering wheel. Let's see. Oh, I can't see. Wait a second. Yeah, I can't see out those windows. I can only see out this window right here, which could be something. Let's see. Let's go ahead and use these mirrors up here to help me. Let's see. I like how these mirrors are added on here. And wow, I've never actually driven a... well, okay, well, I can't say I've driven a bus before, but this one seems a lot boxier than the others, because, well, it is. But I don't know, it's something I could get used to. But that's really, really boxy. Let's see, I have to turn it back on to shut the doors. Oh wait, hold on, I think I see something here, actually. Do I see it? Nope. I thought it said Bluebird Body Company right there. Well, it would just say Bluebird, actually, since... Let's see, I completely forgot to shut the doors. That's the whole thing I wanted to do. Is it gonna let me? Nope, it looks like I'll have to manually shut it, which is fine. Oh, that's why I was using the wrong control. That would probably help. That would explain everything. I was using the open door control. Still, I think I'd have to go with the B800, or B700, sorry. And last but not least, hopefully the one that I'll be leaning towards by the end of this video, the Lodestar. So, I love Lodestars. Let's go ahead and look at the interior first. It has a Chevy steering wheel. That's not a Lodestar, but it's supposed to be international. But ooh, I like that. I really like that. Go ahead and turn on those lights. A little laggy. I've gone down 10 FPS total with those two buses. I don't think I showed you all on the last one. Let's look at some flares. And see, yeah, they're not too bad. Let's see, it looks like this one's supposed to have a crossing gate also, and I clicked the wrong control, so control 1. These stop signs, they're just a little too fast for me. I'd like to see the lights slow down just a little bit, but I'm sure I can change that in the settings somewhere. I'd also like to see these turning signals up here work. But that's just me as a bus freak. Oh, I want to hear it too. It sounds like a tractor. Tell me that doesn't sound like a tractor right there, but still. Let's see, I don't know if it was just me on the last bus. No, I can't see out of there. Oh, these are the only mirrors that are different. Let's see, close the doors. Yeah, let's see if this one, yeah, this one looks 3D also, but let's see. Ooh, I also noticed that they just had this stripe on them. I like the stripe. So, yeah, these are his brand new buses. Like I said, let's see, oh, I should turn those off or that's gonna annoy me. Like I said, I will be doing the in-depth videos later, when I get the chance. We will also be doing versus videos, and other stuff, multiplayer videos with these buses, and all that stuff. Please don't ask me for the link, because I'm really not going to give it to you. And there have been people impersonating me, so if it's a bus like this or the 2015 ACX and someone who's impersonating me says yes, please do take a picture, screenshot it. Control print screen is the screenshot button, but you know, so I'm not giving these out. Don't ask for it. So which one do you guys like the best? I'm still really liking the B800. I really like the look of it. But then again, that's just me as a bus freak. I think that either that or the Bluebird Freightliner are my two favorite Bluebird body combos. Like, that have been... Never mind. But with that said, I'd also like to see a Freightliner released with that. With these buses. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Right down here, it's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, over here. I don't know, they put it down, wherever they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up or blow pop. And make sure you also share this video with a friend, show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. Top video up here will lead you to my latest video, and this bottom link down here will lead you to a random video. You don't know where it's going to take you, so you have to click it to find out. So yeah, thanks for watching.